Tell me when you're
But
ready.
hi everybody, I'm right here in front of Banner. I got my family here. Turn it around. So, hey, this is my family and friends of the family. They're all checking out Banner. Y'all, what do y'all think about it so far?
This is amazing. It's amazing.
The kids love it.
Amazing, he said.
Yes.
Amazing.
And it's not
Yes.
yet. It's not completed yet. But they all wanted a sneak preview.
And I found squeaky stuff.
And that right there is my duck lining that I need to finish on the wall here.
Called squeaky
So I haven't finished. And this
You
right
got it
here
insulated
is.
very well. Yeah.
Well, it's not insulated yet. This is just duck lining.
What is that?
That's duck lining. It'll help with condensation. Condensation.
That's not insulation.
How will you get the water in here?
That's not insulation.
It's not.
See, that's just a general fan. It doesn't have to be like with a shower or anything, right?
It's going to be like a whole enclosure here.
Everything is enclosed.
It's going to be closet here.
But where
A
is?
pass through to the front. A shower.
How will you get the water in
The water is going to come out here, but it's not done yet. I got to do my plumbing. Hold on, let me-
What's a clear tube?
So as you see, y'all, they have a lot of questions. So let me sort of answer some of these questions. See you guys later. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Banner, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Banner into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Good morning, everybody. So I'm at it again, and today I am trying to get things done. I have a lot of moving parts going on, and I last left off with plugging up some electricals in my furnace, my heating system. And today I wanted to kind of like pre-wire, but I need framing somewhat to pre-wire. I don't totally need framing depending on how I wire it. I could use some of these channels that the ProMaster van has. And then I began putting, let me show you. I began putting down the shower base. So here I'm trying to put down the shower base, right? It has a shoe for the drain under this that has a 1.5 inch diameter screw piece, I don't know, the connecting piece for the shoe, and that 1.5 inch is more space than what's under here for this with this shower base. The shower base have about a 1/2 inch. I needed a whole inch or more, so I kind of made shoes. So I kind of made shoes, as you saw in the video, for the shower base, and I measured it. I mean, it's right. I raised it up a little bit, and it's still like acting like it want to hit the connecting piece on the shoe. So I'm now thinking I want to put a like a small hole around where the connecting piece of the shoe lands on this floor, just so it can sink down into the cavity, because this is a platform raised up. So if I can just sink that little piece down into the hole a little bit, that will help me not to have to raise this thing too high. And now I don't even know where to put the hole to sink that down in, because I'm not sure where the wall will be on this exactly. I am in the process also of framing out my pocket door rough end, and even that is, you know, leaving me questioned, because I want my driver's seat to lean back to a certain point, so I have to know how far back to start the wall behind this chair. So, and then I have some surveillance cameras that I'm planning to install. And there is, let me show you that. So up here there is this shelf-like compartment over the cabin area. and that's kind of like somewhere where I want to put, the cameras. I need to install it somewhere on the side. So I'm thinking to put it over the door on either side of this area. So all these things are kind of like I'm, trying to do things in the correct order. And, before I frame out the platform, the pocket door roughing for the pocket door, I didn't want to block my having to put the camera there, so I wanted to do the camera first. I also want to put some insulation behind that lining on the shelf because I understand, and I got this from another YouTube creator. I think it's Humble Road, something like that. I think Humble Road is who mentioned when I first heard about it in a way that it typically gets really hot there if it's baking in the sun, and so it's hot up there. So the recommendation is to put some insulation behind it. So I need to do that while I can. So there's a lot of moving parts. So that's what I'm trying to figure out this morning. I also want to install my second window, and I want to install the Maxx Fan today. That's all these things I want to do. So here I go. Let me go ahead and get something done today. Thanks. Hey, so I'm taking a break. I worked all day on the van. I did not have the camera rolling, so I'm out here walking Dina. Dina, she's my road dog. But I'll show you after this walk all that I accomplished today. I feel like I didn't accomplish a lot, but I did, the whole day. So I'll show you in a second. Okay, so it's really sunny out here. So this is what I did today. I installed surveillance cameras on the side. I have another camera on the other side. And I spent all day working on my second window. It took me all day because I lazily left some tape on there from last time that I didn't take off. And it just kept raining and raining, and I never had it. Between Mother Nature and my schedule, I never had a chance to get to the second window, so finally got it cut out. So all I need to do is go ahead and put the window in. And I'm like, it actually took me all day to do that. That don't seem like a lot. One window and 2 cameras. Like, where did my time go? Hi. So anyway, I'll keep you posted. And just like that, the window is in. Thank Darnell for helping me put this in and screw it in. This is a much better job than the first window. I'm much more happier. I did have an ordeal jigsawing the hole out with this sliding door thing in the way. I had to go to the inside. Oh man, it was an experience. But I'm happy it's in. We'll test it for leak tomorrow. So this is the framing from the inside. It's a whole lot better than my first window, which I learned a lot, had some lessons learned. The main lesson is not to put too much of the sticky stuff in the when you seal it to the band. So I think last time I just put too much and it was not able to fit the wood that I had pre-made to go behind. So here we go. So good morning. So today I am working on putting on the Maxx Fan. The Maxx Fan that I have. It's the one with remote. And yeah, I get a little apprehensive when it comes to cutting out holes in my ceiling. So this is where we want to put it. Just outside of my platform here where the shower and everything would go. And the cooktop is over here to my left near the sliding door. And so I think that's a good spot for it. So that's where I am aiming to put it. And so let me get started. Okay, here's the frame that I made to nail this into once it's cut out. I'm gonna have to glue it to the ceiling and then nail it in. Let's see, I hope it works. Let's see. Hey y'all, so I am up on my roof and I did it. Let's see, let's show you. Here we go. And the hole is cut. Let me go test it out, make sure the hole is big enough. Back is fitting. So this is fitting. I can't see that. There you go. So let me spray some Rust-Oleum around the edges. Okay. I think I got that up there. It's glued up there. So that would be the support. Alright, let me get back on top and screw it down. Okay, y'all, just like that, it is in. I guess I got the seal around the edges. I got it screwed in, and I guess the last thing to do is rip this off. Rip it off, rip it, and it's done. Ah! So hi everybody. So here is my Maxx Fan. You see that behind me? So the last thing I need to do is put this finishing touch. So you put it up in here, but I have to do the ceiling first. So once the ceiling is done, I need to measure each corner of this finishing piece and add a ½ inch on each corner, and then I need to trim it down to size and then mount it up. So I'm going to save this piece for last until I get my ceiling done. Thanks for watching.